Hi everyone, today we're on Module 4 of Level E of VMath, Understanding Fractions and Equivalents. Lesson 5, page 25 to follow along and take notes. All right, we're going to talk about a unit fraction. A unit fraction is a fraction that has a numerator of 1. So if you notice, all of these right here is 1/2, 1/4, 1/7. So that's the unit fraction. So if we look here, we're going to do a little bit of review, getting started. So here we have 1, 2, 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4 total, so 3/4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so that's 5/9. Here we have a unit fraction of 1/5 shaded in, so we would write 1/5. Here we have unit fractions shaded in for each of these circles. So we have 1/8 and 1/8 and 1/8 and 1/8. And when combined, we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you combine them, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would equal 4/8. So here we have unit fractions listed for these two boxes. So it says how many 1/4 are in 6/4? Well, they have 6/4 shaded in, so we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6/4 in. There are 6 1/4 in 6/4. Okay, this says Michael modeled 5/9 in the circle. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/9 out of in purple. So then what we're going to do is we're going to shade it in over here. So we have 1/9 and 1/9 and 1/9 and 1/9 and another 9th. Okay. So how many 1/9 did he use? He used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he had 5 1/9 to make his model. Here it says solve each problem. Name the fraction made by combining the unit fractions. So we know that there are thirds on the bottom. So we're going to combine them. We're going to see how many 1/3 there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/3. Here we have name the fraction made by combining unit fractions again. Well, now we're in 9ths. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 9ths. Number 8, give the number of unit fractions in the given fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 1/6. So 1/6 is the unit fraction, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Here it says write the number of unit fractions in the given fraction again. Well, the unit fraction is 1/4. Let's see how many are shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are shaded in. So there are 7 1/4 shaded in. Okay, so on here it says make a fraction from unit fractions using symbols. 1/7, 1/7, 1/7 is 3/7. So it says count the number of shaded unit fractions. This is the number of the fraction being made. The denominator is the same as the denominator of the unit fractions. Then it says count the unit fractions in a given fraction using symbols. So there are 9 1/6 and 9/6. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 1/6 that are shaded in. So you count each shaded unit fraction. All right, now on your own, you're going to complete page 27. Rewatch the video if you need to and ask for help if you need it. Good luck.